Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, so our lesson for today is SMLE Advanced Lesson 10 Relationships.
Yes,
Okay,
relationship.
we're gonna do part number 3.
Hmm.
So you're going to answer the question, but I'm going to choose a difficult argument that you need to answer. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, and then you will have 2 minutes to prepare for the question and 5 minutes to answer it. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now let's start. This is the first question. Hold on. This one. Okay, you will have 2 minutes. Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Ari?
Yes, please.
Okay. Is arguing a natural part of every relationship? And no, arguing is not a natural part of every relationship because
Okay.
that's my answer.
Yes, so you have to answer that.
Yes. I think it's not easy. I need
Yes.
to say or I need to answer no.
Yes, you have to answer no. You have to answer the difficult argument.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'll think.
Yes, please. So the timer is set already. So once it's finished, I will ask you to answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, time is up.
Yes. Okay. So I'll start.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Just a moment. I will set the timer.
Yes.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Okay. Answer. Is arguing a natural part of every relationship? And no, arguing is not a natural part of every relationship because I think partners or couple should respect one another and they must not argue. It would be okay to discuss things between just the two of them because when we say relationship, it's a good relation. Or it is expected that they should respect and accept differences. They can discuss, but not to argue because I think argue is not the right word or it's a very harsh word. Means to say they are already disagreeing, they don't agree, so they argue. So it's not natural. So sometimes we can see people arguing or they disagree with the idea of the other person. But it's not natural because the natural thing to do is to discuss, respect one another, and be able to understand. Is it okay?
You still have, 2 minutes. Sorry.
Okay. So so it's
in every relationship, respect is very important, and to argue is not natural because to argue means it might lead to disagreement or they might fight, which is not a good thing. And if it's not good, it's not natural.
of them.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, so time is up again.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, that's a very good idea about this topic. And I'm just going to show you some erroneous sentences, okay?
Yes.
All right, just a moment. Okay. Next one. Sometimes we can see people arguing or disagreeing. It's not natural because the natural thing to do is to discuss and respect one another and be able to understand. This is correct as well.
Yes.
Okay, in every relationship, respect is very important to respect is very important. To argue is not natural. Okay, so this one is also correct.
Yes.
There is a good reason to say or conclude it is not a natural part. I couldn't get it correctly, so
Yes.
can you please tell me what you really want to say in this part?
Yes.
This one.
Yes. Thank you. So there is a good reason to say or conclude is not. Yes. I think it's not correct. So there is a good reason to. There is a good reason to conclude that it is not. There is a good reason to conclude that it is not a natural part. Is it okay? There is a good
there is a
reason.
good reason
There
to
is a
conclude.
good reason to conclude that it it isn't a natural part.
So it there means arguing, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, that it isn't a natural part, maybe of every relationship.
Yes, yes, yes.
A natural part
Mm.
of every relationship.
Yes, yes. I think it's better.
Yeah, and now it's understandable. So that is
Yeah.
fine. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
All right. So I
Okay.
think, yeah, those are all the mistakes that you have made.
Yes.
But now, are they clear for you?
Yeah. It's okay, but
Okay.
not really easy.
Exactly. But you really did your job there.
Yes.
So good job to answer this question.
Yes.
But anyway, can you please read the correct sentences?
Yes, thank you. There is a good reason to conclude that it isn't a natural part of every relationship.
Yes, that is correct.
Mm.
Okay, so now let's move on with the second question.